Welcome to Next Gen AI, where we explore the world of artificial intelligence, simplified, practical, and fascinating. Are you curious about how AI works? Ever wondered how it's changing industries, creating new tools, and shaping the future? If so, you're in the right place. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to deepen your understanding, this channel is designed to guide you through the exciting world of AI. Here's what you can expect from Next Gen AI. AI for beginners. We'll break down complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand videos, perfect for anyone just getting started with AI. AI tools and software. From reviews to tutorials, we'll show you how to make the most of the latest AI tools and platforms. AI in industry. Discover how AI is revolutionizing fields like healthcare, finance, and education with real-world case studies and insights. AI news and trends. Stay ahead of the curve with regular updates on the latest developments and breakthroughs in AI. If you're as excited about AI as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss an update as we explore the endless possibilities of artificial intelligence together. So, whether you're here to learn, explore, or innovate, we've got you covered. Welcome to Next Gen AI. Let's dive into the future of AI.